The Toyota BZ compact SUV concept touched down in Los Angeles, making its world premiere to kick off the exciting opening of the 2022 Los Angeles Auto Show at the LA Convention Center. Already a leader in electrification, the company gave a glimpse of what the future could be with the Toyota BZ compact SUV, extending the vision under the Toyota BZ brand umbrella. The Toyota BZ compact SUV concept is designed as a full battery electric vehicle, using a clean vital design approach. This approach aims to express what's special about battery electric vehicles while also offering fun-to-drive, exhilarating performance. It represents a vehicle with zero emissions, utilizing eco-conscious interior materials that also brings dynamic performance, leading technology and a stylish appearance.